Despite the announcement by the Icelandic Meteorological Office that the eruption is over, the movement of lava through the lava tube has yet continued. As you can see here, we reported a few hours ago that there is a tongue is still erupting within the area, that the bulldozers actually trampled over it. Now we have a new one to the left side, more toward the west, visible, and the lava is inside the third wall. And the jets of water are trying to contain it. This is the map I'm showing you where these things are happening. As you can see here, the third one is now being almost overrun. Another lava flow is coming there. And there is another lava flow to the west side of the road, which I've marked now by the arrow, is also developing to overrun the L1. There is a tiny one also again to the west of that tiny one. It's dragging on for a long time now.